So welcome back. In this lecture we'll learn about variable in Python. So let's say we have x equal to 15. So let's understand what's a variable. So a variable is nothing but a container for storing data values. So here we have a value of 15 and we are assigning this 15 to what? We are assigning to this x. So basically x is a variable and it's a container and it's storing this value 15. Okay, so this way we are creating a variable, and Python has no command over declaring a variable. So a variable is created the moment you assign a value to it. So when I assign any value to it, so a variable is created. So I can say x equal to 15 and I can say y equal to Pratap, or I can say z equal to learn with Pratap. So you can see when I write a string here, you can see that I have a single quote and a double quote. So if I start with double quote, I should end with double quote, or if I start with a single quote, I should end with a single quote. If I say this way, so this will throw an error. Okay, so this was just a note. So let's print x, so let's print y and let's print z. So let's run this code and you can see that we have 15 Pratap learn with Pratap. So when we print all this, so variable do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. So here I say z equal to Pratap. I can go ahead and change this z to a number, let's say 9, and now if I print, you can see the output is 9 now. Okay, and also you can also cast a value. I say z equal to, I can cast this is a number, okay, this is an integer. I can cast it to a string by doing like this, and if I say, let me just say type, and you should see here this is a string. So you see this is a string, but the value of z was 15, right? So you can cast it. So if you want to get the type of the variable, you can do by using this type function and then passing to it. Okay, we'll learn more about data types and casting data in this tutorial. So as I told you, like we have talked about the single quote or double quote. So if you are using single quote, you should close with the single quote. If you are opening with the double quote, you should end it with the double quote. Okay, and Python is case sensitive. So if I say a equal to 10, and I can also say a equal to 16. So Python treat the small case a and the capital case a differently, and these both are a different variable. Okay, so let's learn about data types in Python. Data types in Python. So we have different data types. So let's start with str. So there's a string, and we have in number numeric type, which is called integer or float or a complex. Also we have list, tuple and range. We have a dictionary, and then we have a set. We have boolean, and we have none type. So these are the different types of data types which we have in Python. So if you want to get the type, what we can say is, let's say x equal to, if I say 10, and if I print type x, then if I print this, you should see I have a type of integer, so which I have already demonstrated earlier. So these are all the data types in Python. So this is it from this section. Hope to see you in another section.